मुरगांवां एक कस्टम कर्मचारी कोरोना पॉझिटिव्ह सापडला. हो कर्मचारी जंय काम करतालो तो विभाग 48 वरां खातीर सील करतले. ताच्या वांगडा काम करप्यांक घरा कडल्यान काम करपाची सुचोवणी दिल्या म्हण म्हायती कस्टम आयुक्त मिहीर जहान हांच्यांनी दिल्या. RD एक्सको खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
One of our officer, he last attended on last Thursday, and he was having fever, no other symptoms of corona, and he got himself tested, and today morning he has been asked by the MPT hospital to get himself admitted. So presumably he has been tested positive, I think, and accordingly we have sealed the place where he has been sitting, and other officers, they have been advised to go on home quarantine for 14 days, and we will be also working from the home, and for next 48 hours we will be working from the home. We have to, and we have sanitized the entire office, including his area and also the our entire office we have sanitized. Even the colony, he was living in the colony, that also we have sanitized.